helps to improve gut health in monsoon. During the monsoon, maintaining gut health is important due to increased humidity and risk of waterborne infections. First, kefir, a fermented milk drink rich in probiotic. Kefir helps balance gut bacteria, improve digestion, and boost immunity. Second, kombucha. This fermented is packed with probiotics and antioxidants, aiding digestion and reducing gut inflammation. Third, buttermilk chach, a traditional Indian drink made from yogurt. Buttermilk is rich in probiotics and electrolytes. It cools the digestive system and prevents bloating. Fourth, ginger turmeric tea. Ginger and turmeric have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, soothing the gut and preventing infections. Fifth, coconut water, naturally hydrating and rich in electrolytes. Coconut water supports gut hydration and prevents dehydration from monsoon humidity. 6. Peppermint tea. Peppermint soothes the stomach, reduces bloating and alleviates symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. 7th, apple cider vinegar. Diluted apple cider vinegar promotes healthy gut bacteria and aids digestion. Thank you friends. Like, share and subscribe.